Hi, I'm Daniel DiBartolo. I'm a product manager. I work at Google. I'm excited to be here at DevFest Miami. I love coming to these events because of the excitement and passion that people have around building cool stuff, and it's a bonus that people love using, Google frameworks and tooling. But it's just a great group of people that are excited about learning, up-leveling their skills, and coming together to build awesome stuff. So I'm excited to chat with people, and yeah, it seems like a great event so far.